how to register Varo, V-A-R-O, Varo mobile banking app. If you want to register for the Varo mobile banking app, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Varo mobile banking app, and this is the interface that we will be able to see. Now, normally if you've already registered, you can enter email address, a phone number and password and log into your account. But if you haven't, then you'll find the sign up button right underneath the login option. So tap on the sign up button, and over here all you have to do is to simply make sure to enter the email address that you used for your account. And once you've entered the email address, so let me go ahead and do that, you also have to enter your US mobile number and your password that you want to use. So once you've done that, tap on the join today button, and it will give you a couple of options that you can fill in. And once you've done that, you will be able to register for the Varo mobile app. This way you will be able to register for the Varo application. I hope that this video really helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.